Lord Amwell's delivery, and Chelsea have the winning goal. Mizack Afriyie scores in stoppage time, and Chelsea have the match winner. It was always coming. The pressure rises, Asante Kotoko, and oh boy, they did it when it needed most. Chelsea 2-1 against Kotoko, and the fans in wild jubilations. Berekum Chelsea have done it in style. Mizack Afriyie, not the tallest of players, but he rose to get full contact, and it's a brilliant header from the striker. Kotoko's defenders caught ball watching, goalkeeper beaten. It's a good goal from a striker. 6 goals in the season for Mizack Afriyie, and it's a good goal to give Chelsea maximum points.